Hello and welcome to day 2 of Advent of Cold. The elves have made it safely to the beach and have stocked all the food in a food pile. And now they're arguing about who should sleep closer to the food stock. And they decide to solve this issue by having a rock, paper, scissors tournament. And your input file is something along like this. You have um, some lines that represent a round of rock, paper, scissors. Each column, the first column represents your opponent hand, and the second column represents your hand. So ABC is rock, paper, and scissors, and XYZ is rock, paper, scissors, but for you. And in case you don't know how rock, scissors is playing, rock smashes scissors, scissors cuts paper, and paper covers rock. So these are basically how you play rock, paper, scissors. And for this challenge, you have to score some points. So how do you score points? Basically, if you win, you get 6 points. If you draw, you get 3 points. And if you lose, 0 points. But you also get extra points for what you choose. So if you have rock, you get 1 point. If you have paper, you get 2 points and 3 points for scissors. So this is actually a pretty simple solution. All you have to do is map the points to the rule set to have some really clear rules. So for example, if your opponent plays rock and you play rock, that means it's a draw, you get 3 points, and an extra point because you chose rock. The same thing with if you play paper. Your opponent has rock, you have paper, that means you won, so that's 6 points, and 2 extra points for the paper. So you have all this rule set already decided, so all you have to do is iterate over the data set and calculate the total points. So let's say total points starts with 0. We need our small input. So let's create our line rounds, our small input, and we remove the lines, not splice, split. And then we do a for each round. And we get our opponent's hand, which is round. It's the first character in the round. And our hand is the last character inside the round string. And then we just have to do total points. We increment it by the value in the rule set. We go from the opponent's hand and then our hand. And that is very much it. You just have to console log the total points, check how much you were supposed to give. So it was expecting 15 for our small input. You just have to run it and you get 15. Very good. So in the second part, they decide that the second column is not actually what you're supposed to play, but how are you supposed to finish the round? So X, Y, Z is no longer rock, paper, scissors, but it's lose, draw, and win. So you have to take the point into consideration. So for example, when you have AX, that means X you have to lose, and who loses against rock? That is scissors. So it's 0 points for the loss, but 3 points because you chose scissors. Then if you have to draw against rock, that's rock. So you get 3 points for the draw and 1 point for the rock choosing. So all you have to do is change the rules. You change the rule set and then you just copy paste your solution again. And it's the same solution. You just change this. You don't need the rounds because you already have them. And you do the total points for part 2. So in the second part, you should have a total score of 12. Let me just test it. Day 2. Wait. I need to change part 2 rules here. Set of rules. Use the correct rule set. And now you have the value 12. So that's it. Like and subscribe for more content. Let's see you in day 3 and have a good day. Let's get closer to Christmas.